Hi folks, it's just me showing you my new flat earth model I have made. Now I've put a bit of work into this. There we go, I hope you're ready. Oh no, what's happened? Oh no, I'm sorry about this folks. This looks like the outer layers of the ice has melted and looks like the flat map has flooded. Could be due to the global warming. I'm truly sorry about this. I am truly sorry. Oh no. Everyone's drowned.
Coming to take me away, ha ha, they're coming to take me away, ho ho, hee hee, ha ha, to the funny farm where life is beautiful all the time, and I'll be happy to see those nice young men in their clean white coats, and they're coming to take me away, ha ha! You thought it was a joke, and so you laughed. You laughed when I had said that losing you would make me flip my lid. Right?